Hey guys, this is Pabbly Connect workshop. In this video, we will learn how to integrate You Can Book Me to ActiveCampaign. You Can Book Me is an awesome scheduling software and ActiveCampaign is an email marketing tool. So what we're trying to do is anytime a booking is created in You Can Book Me, the data will be automatically created as a contact in ActiveCampaign. However, You Can Book Me and ActiveCampaign are two different companies. Hence, there is no data flow between them. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate You Can Book Me to Google Sheets. It is actually an easy two-step process. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you have to visit the website called as Pabbly Connect. This is the website. Here, click on Sign In. When you click on Sign In, you will be brought to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now, bring your attention to this part called as Connect. Here, click on Access Now. Okay, at the right corner, you will find a button called as Create Workflow. Just click it. When you click on this button, a dialog box emerges in front of you. Here it is asking you to enter a name. I'm going to give it as You Can Book Me to ActiveCampaign. You Can Book Me to ActiveCampaign. Then click on Save. When you click on Save, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the Choose app, change it from Webhook to You Can Book Me. In the Choose method, let's keep it as New Booking. So the idea is that whenever there is a new booking in You Can Book Me, the system will trigger. Essentially, what we are trying to do here is, we are trying to connect You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect. So let's go to You Can Book Me. And I am interested in this booking profile called as Art Class. So we are going to connect Art Class to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so click on Art Class. Here at the left, you will find an option called as Notifications. Just click it. As you can see, we have a set of options. These are actually called as triggers. Triggers are a bunch of if statement. For example, if a new booking is made, what should be done? If it is rescheduled, then what should be done? Since we are only interested in new bookings, let's click on after new booking is made. Okay, so as you can see, You Can Book Me has already given a set of action. Like it is going to send a confirmation mails to both parties, like the owner as well as the booker. But we also want to insert data into ActiveCampaign. That is why we are going to click on this plus button. So as you can see, it is giving me more options like sending an email or the SMS. But we are interested in creating a contact in ActiveCampaign. That is why we are going with webhooks. Now here we are going to create a webhook. So in the webhook name, let's keep it as Booking Created API Call. And in the option, when will this webhook be triggered, let's keep it as 0 minute. Now coming to the most important part, the URL. To get the URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want and paste it here. In the HTTP method, change it from get to post. Okay, now come to the section called as payload. As you can see, the default JSON codes of You Can Book Me has only 2 data fields, name, the first name and the email. But we want more details of the customer like the last name, the phone number, etc. That is why I'm going to add some extra codes. Okay, so I have added the extra code. So adding an extra code is very easy. All you have to do is enter double quotes, okay, here, and then add a text like the last name and separate it with a colon, and then again add double quotes and place curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets enter the short codes. If you want to keep it as default, it works fine too. I just want more data fields, that's all. Then click on Save Changes. Okay, so it is showing that the booking profile has been saved. So what we have done here is, we have connected You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect. Now let's see whether we can capture any data from You Can Book Me in Pabbly Connect. To do that, let's go to Pabbly Connect and here click on this button called as Capture Webhook Response. Click this. Okay, it is showing that it is waiting for a webhook response. Now let's create a booking in You Can Book Me. Live booking. Art class, I am interested in let's say on 15th, let's say 10 a.m. Okay. In the first name, I'm just going to fill in the dummy details of a customer. The first name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel, the email is aaronmanuel1991 and this is his phone number. Of course, I'm not a robot. Then click on Confirm Booking. Okay, so the booking has been scheduled. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. So it is waiting for a response. Just give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so the response has arrived. Just have a look at it. The first name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel, and this is the email address, and this is the phone number. So we have successfully captured the data from You Can Book Me into Pabbly Connect. Now we have to sync this data to ActiveCampaign. To do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, change it from API to ActiveCampaign. In the choose method, you can either keep it as create a contact or change it to create or update a contact. Since I'm also interested in updating a contact, I'm going to keep it as create and update a contact. Then click on connect. In select your credentials, let's keep it as new credentials. Now we have to fill in two blanks called as the API key and the parameters. To do that, let's go to our ActiveCampaign and here click on settings. At the left bottom, you will find the option called as settings. Click this. Okay. So here you will find the option called as developers. Click this. So this is the API key you want. Copy this and paste it here. In the parameters, you have to fill the URL. To get the URL, just go back to ActiveCampaign and this is the URL you want up to here. Okay, we don't have to add the HTTPS. Okay, just copy this and paste it here. Again, I repeat, we don't have to add the HTTP part. Then click on save. Okay, when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is to create a prototype of the contact. So in the email, we are going to map in the email. So we have the email that we have received from You Can Book Me, that is @1991@gmail.com. This is the email of the dummy customer. In the first name, that is let's say Aaron. Okay, we have mapped it. The last name, let's say it's Manuel. The phone number, we have also mapped it. Yes, we have mapped the phone number. Then click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that it has sent the request to ActiveCampaign. So let's see in the contact whether we have a person called as Aaron. Contacts. Okay, yes, we have a person called as Aaron Manuel. His email address is aaronmanuel1991. This is the phone number. So the presence of this contact shows that we have successfully connected You Can Book Me to ActiveCampaign with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new booking is created, that data will be automatically inserted in ActiveCampaign. But for your satisfaction, let's check it one more time if the integration is working fine or not. To do that, let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let's save this. We are saving the workflow. Okay. Minimize this, save this, okay, and minimize this. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated You Can Book Me to Pabbly Connect and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to ActiveCampaign. So there is now a perfect flow of data between You Can Book Me to ActiveCampaign. So let's go back to You Can Book Me and let's book one more event as a dummy customer. So I'm booking on Wednesday 14, 3 p.m. Okay, so this time I'm going to enter as Tom Cruise. Yes. The last name is Cruz. Email is something random again. Tom Cruise. Yeah, that would work. Phone number is, let's say this. Then click on I'm not a robot. Confirm booking. Yes, done. Okay, so the booking has been scheduled for Tom. So let's see whether we have this person called as Tom in the contacts of ActiveCampaign. So refresh this. Yes, we have a person called as Tom. His email address is tomcruise123@gmail.com and this is the phone number. Okay, so our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a booking is created in your You Can Book Me account, the data will be reflected in ActiveCampaign. Also, you should know not just You Can Book Me and Google Sheets, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. Thanks.